If your business is not showing up on Google Maps, there may be several reasons for this issue. One possible reason is that your Google business profile is unverified, in which case you need to complete the verification process, either by phone or mail, to make your business visible. The distance between your business and the location from which you are searching can also be a factor, as Google Maps prioritizes nearby results. Additionally, if your business lacks prominence, meaning it is not well known, it may be overshadowed by more prominent businesses. Failing to include category tags to identify your business type can also limit its visibility. Sharing an office space with another business can cause problems, as Google may not attribute a single address to multiple businesses. To resolve this, you can try adding a suite number to your address. Recently changing your business address may also require some time for Google Maps to update. It's also possible that your business listing has been suspended due to quality issues, in which case you should contact Google for more information and potential solutions. To get in touch with Google, you can find a phone number based on your location by visiting their contact page. By addressing these potential issues, you can increase the chances of your business appearing on Google Maps.